Are you using the VIN number when you're ordering a hub unit for a vehicle? We're going to find out why the year, make, model may not work for some applications. Next.
This video is sponsored by BCA Bearings, the #1 supplier of OE quality hub assemblies. Visit thebcahub.com for more information.
This has happened to me before. So, you install a hub unit on a vehicle and you go for that test drive. Either the ABS light comes on or it may pull to one side when braking when using the ABS system. What happened? Well, typically what happened? That wheel bearing that you've installed on the vehicle does not have the right number of windows or teeth on the reluctor ring for the application. So you'll notice on your scan tool that either one wheel is over or under reporting the speed of the vehicle. So what happened and what can be done to avoid this? When you're ordering that wheel end, you really need to pay attention to the VIN number and also trim level of the vehicle. A lot of vehicles, they may have different trim levels with different stability control packages, and this will influence the design of the wheel end and the reluctor ring. So make sure you have that information before you order the part and you're not going to have a comeback. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.